Welcome back, all of you, in my YouTube channel. This is Osi Model. Again, I'm coming with a new video for you. Today, I'm going to discuss about a topic which is very interesting topic, that is called TCP/IP. It is very common. Most of the time, you listen about this TCP/IP, and you always surprised that what is it, why it is being used, what is the logic behind it. So after watching my this complete video, you will definitely know that what is it and why it is used during the communication in the network. Before starting this, I would like to tell you that you must know that the TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and IP stands for Internet Protocol. There are two different protocols. First one is Transmission Control Protocol and the another one is Internet Protocol, combined together, work together for the data transmission from one computer to another computer. In this my video, I'm also going to describe about the TCP/IP model and how actually the TCP/IP model works and how the data is transmitted by using the different OSI models, and how is data transferred from one computer to another computer. The basic funda behind this TCP/IP is to transfer the data from one computer to another computer. एक कंप्यूटर से दूसरे कंप्यूटर में डाटा क्या होता है, ट्रांसफर किया जाता है। इमेजिन, तो इसमें दो काम होते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पैकेटिंग एंड सेकेंड इज डिफाइनिंग द एड्रेसिंग. Packeting and addressing is being defined by the two different protocols. The packeting is done by the TCP and the addressing is defined by the IP. You know very well, when anything is delivered to you, they have the recipient address and the sender address. On the same way, in the Internet protocol, when the data packets is received from any computer, they have the recipient address as well as the sender address. Actually, what is the logic, what is the working style, how it is being done, what is the basic concept regarding this? First, when a user send a data request to the server, when a user send the data request to a server, the request is first split up into the different packets. It is done by the transmission control protocol, and after the division of the packets, each packets contain the destination address and the source address. Thus, destination address and source address is defined in each packet by the help of the Internet protocol, and the division of data into small packets is done by the transmission control protocol. And after that, the data is gone to the destination computer, and when the destination computer receives the data, recollect the data and then respond the message according to that. This is the basic funda according to which the computer system in the computer network, the TCP/IP works. To understand this, you must know that the TCP/IP model also. What is the TCP/IP model? You must understand how actually it is being done, how the transmission is done from the one computer to another computer is understand by the help of the TCP/IP model. As you know that when a computer sends the data, that is called the client, and when the computer sends the data that is called client, and when the data is responded by the system, that is called the server. So a server can be a client and a client can be a server at any time. It is depend upon the situation. Who is requesting? Suppose you are type to open a Google home page, and the computer through which you are sending the data to the Google server, you are the client, and the server is responding. Google server is responding to you and displaying the data of the Google page and your computer. That then it is the server is Google, and you are getting the information. That's why you are client. In the computer network, the client server architecture is being always used. Now I am focusing about the TCP IP model. First side is the client side, and the second side is the server side. Suppose a client send a request to the user. How it will be delivered and how it will be respond by the server and display the information as per the requested on the client computer. How it is being done? First of all, in this TCP IP, there are 7 different models in OSI model, and only 4 models are used in the TCP IP transmission. The first layer of the model is application layer. The second one is transport layer. Third one is network layer, and fourth one is data link layer. These 4 models, in the OSI model, there are 7 layers. There are different 7 layers, but only 4 layers is being used in the transmission control protocol and TCP IP during the transmission of data from one computer to another computer. Suppose when a user want to request, they can be request. The request is gone through the application layer, and where in this application layer there are various protocols that they use. For example, the HTTP can be used when you are requesting for some page. When you are requesting for the mail server, mail protocol, HTTP can be used, and when you are uploading and downloading, then you have to use for FTP protocol. So here in the application layer, various protocols can be run. But after the request is done by the client, first go to the application layer, and then after it go to the second layer of this model, that is called transport layer. In this transport layer, actually the data that is the user is requesting is split into different packets, and defining their headers. They are defining their headers and defining their data files also. And after the dividing of the data into the small packets, it is gone to the next level, that is the network layer. In this network layer, each data packets that is divided by the transport layer, that transmission control protocol work is over there. Then after the work of IP has started, in this network layer, each data packets, the network layer assign the destination address and the source address. Destination address and the source address of each and every packets. And after that, it is go to the data link layer. Data link layer check out whether all the data packets addresses are defined or not, where all the data are assembled or not. If any kind of error in this work, then it is being checked by the network layer, and if the error is done, whether data package is created and the IP address is not defining, then again it is requested to the network layer or transport layer. Network layer assign the new packets, and then assign the IP address by the transport layer will assign the new packets, and the network layer assign the IP address or address of the source and destination. Then after, the data link layer will create a session between the client and the host, client and the server, between the client and server. When the client receive when the client send the request, then receiver the server will receive the data and receive that data in the without error, and it has been checked one that each and every file that has been sent by the client is containing the actual data packets they are sending, they containing the IP address. Then after it is being checked in the network layer, and it is then it is being checked by the network layer is the data is packet belong to this network or not, belong to me or not, belong to me or not. That means यहाँ पर आके चेक होगा कि ये जो डाटा पैकेट्स जो हमको रिसीव हुआ है ये क्या हमारे ही नेटवर्क के लिए हमारे ही लिए आया है कि नहीं आया है, वो कौन चेक करेगा, हमारा नेटवर्क लेयर में चेक होगा. देन आफ्टर द चेकिंग द नेटवर्क लेयर द रीअसेंबलिंग, जो यहाँ पर डाटा पैकेट्स को तोड़ा गया था, the breaking into small packets, they are reassembled in the TCP and in the form of TCP by using TCP protocol. It is being rearranged in the transport layer of the server side. जो डाटा यहाँ से स्प्लिट करके भेजा गया था वो सर्वर साइड के ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर पे फिर से रीअरेंज होगा. फिर यहाँ पर सारे डाटा रीअरेंज हो जाएंगे और फिर क्या होगा, सर्वर तक वो डाटा पहुँचेगा. फिर सर्वर तक ये भी डाटा पहुँचेगा. फिर सर्वर अगर रिस्पॉन्ड करेगा तो यही चीज़ क्या होगा, आपका फिर से रिपीट होगा. फिर एप्लीकेशन लेयर समान होगा, वो HTTP प्रोटोकॉल होगा वो या FTP प्रोटोकॉल होगा, जो प्रोटोकॉल इस्तेमाल किया वो एप्लीकेशन लेयर को इस्तेमाल करेगा. फिर से वो डाटा क्या होगा, डिफरेंट स्मॉल पैकेट्स में चेंज होगा. फिर उस पर क्या होगा, नेटवर्क लेयर क्या होगा, IP एड्रेस असाइन करेगा और फिर क्या होगा, डाटा लिंक चेक करेगा कि सब पे सारे पे IP एड्रेस असाइन हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ, सब पे चेक किया जाएगा. आफ्टर द चेकिंग व्हाट इज ट्रांसफर टू द नेक्स्ट क्लाइंट. जब क्लाइंट के साथ सर्वर के साथ से डाटा आएगा तो फिर क्या होगा, डाटा लिंक लेयर क्या होगा, उसको चेकआउट करेगा कि हमारा जो डाटा रिसीव हो रहा है क्या उसी कंप्यूटर से आ रहा है जिसको मैंने रिक्वेस्ट किया था. फिर क्या होगा, IP एड्रेस चेक होगा और फिर से जो डाटा पैकेट यहाँ पर तोड़ा गया था, यहाँ पर डिफाइन किया गया था इस ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर सर्वर के साइड पे, वो फिर यहाँ से क्या होगा, रिजेंबल होगा और फिर क्या होगा, उस क्लाइंट की कंप्यूटर साइड पर आपके कंप्यूटर की स्क्रीन पर रीअरेंज होकर आपके सामने दिखेगा. ये सब काम दीज ऑल वर्क्स आर डन वेरी लॉजिकली एंड वेरी फास्ट. सो हमको पता नहीं होता है, एक्चुअली दे आर डन लॉजिकली. तो दीज आर द बेसिक कंसेप्ट. इस एंड ऑफ द वीडियो के मैं आपको बेसिक कंसेप्ट बता दूं. ट्रांसमिशन कंट्रोल प्रोटोकॉल, इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल का दो मेन फंक्शन. एक फंक्शन क्या है, ट्रांसमिशन करना. ट्रांसमिशन कंट्रोल करना मतलब डाटा पैकेट्स क्रिएट करना. डाटा पैकेट्स क्रिएट करना, हर डाटा पैकेट्स में आपको क्या करना है, उसका डाटा पैकेट्स का साइज, उसको हेडर्स तैयार करके दे देना. इतना काम केवल ट्रांसमिशन प्रोटोकॉल का होता है. और इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल का मतलब क्या होता है, केवल उसको क्या करना है, उसमें एड्रेस असाइन करना है कि हमारा सोर्स कौन है, हमारा डेस्टिनेशन कौन है. एड्रेस असाइन करने के बाद वो डाटा पैकेट्स को आगे बढ़ा देता है डेटा लिंक लेयर के पास और फिर डेटा लिंक लेयर कम्युनिकेट करता है सर्वर के साथ और फिर हमारा सर्वर तक इंफॉर्मेशन एक तरह से पहुंच जाता है. ये हमारा एक्चुअल लॉजिक है जिसके आधार पर हमारा डाटा ट्रांसमिशन होता है इंटरनेट पर. TCP IP वर्क ऑन द इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल. इंटरनेट पर हमारा इस तरह से काम होता है. हमको ऐसा लगता है, I think I have cleared the concept of TCP IP. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much.